Hello guys, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. In this video, we are going to see how Gemini can help you as a Google Assistant. Yes, Google Assistant is now integrated with Gemini and you can do a lot of tasks just using your Google Assistant with the help of Gemini. So those who don't know about the Gemini, I'm just going to tell you. Gemini is the modified version of the Google Bard. We have made a video about Google Bard earlier and later on we have made a video about Gemini also. So today I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini in your Android application, in your Android phone, along with how you can integrate this Gemini, how this Gemini is integrated with Google Assistant, and so that without the Gemini application even you can use the Google Assistant use the Gemini. So Gemini is a similar bot, similar chatbot or similar AI of ChatGPT with some exclusive extra features. Now, as you know, the ChatGPT is not free. Yeah, ChatGPT 3 and 3.5 and Turbo. These are the free version of ChatGPT where you can get information up to 2022. I hope January 2022. In ChatGPT 4.0, you can get information up to April 2023 as per my knowledge. But in Gemini, you can get knowledge from the internet, whatever knowledge you want you can get. Not only this, you can also enhance your email experience, some other experience you can enhance. You can share a photo and do a lot of tasks, lot of things. You can create a photo also. So we will see what task we can do today with the help of Gemini. Are you excited, guys? So without much delay, let's start. So guys, I have already downloaded the Gemini application. You can find it on the Play Store. The link is available at the on our official WhatsApp channel. So don't forget to join us on WhatsApp and Telegram also. The links are given in the video description below. Now let me find and let me open the Gemini application.
Gemini.
Let me open it.
Gemini. Stop recording. Switch to Gemini. Switch to Gemini from Google Assistant.
From Google Assistant. It is saying.
By switching to Gemini, Google Assistant will no longer be the active assistant on this device. Gemini doesn't support all features from Google Assistant. Learn more.
Okay, so Gemini will support all the features of Google Assistant. That's great.
Stick with Assistant. Use Assistant with Translate. Switch to Gemini 2. Translate conversations in real time.
Conversations in real time.
Switch to Gemini 2.
Switch to Gemini 2.
Write emails, posts, and make learning easy. Set up alarms, timer, and more. Not now button. Switch button.
So just click on switch.
Review key info to access Gemini. Heading.
Okay,
Gemini handles tasks on your device. Show more. If you opt in, Gemini will replace Google Assistant as your assistant on this device. It can help with what's on your screen and support quick voice actions, like messaging. It can also help you hands-free with Hey Google and Voice Match. Powered by Google Assistant, you can switch your assistant in settings. Learn more. Gemini active. Show more. Google. No thanks, but use Gemini button.
So just click on use Gemini.
Signed in as Rachel Basic official.
And this is my email ID which is signed in.
Suggest beautiful places to see on a road trip. Added text to the input box. One of thought.
Now see.
Help explain a concept in a kid-friendly way. Added text to the input box. 2 of 5.
So these are some pre-generated prompts. So if you want, you can use it. You can test it. So I'm just touch bottom middle of the screen.
Microphone button.
Microphone button.
Type. Talk or share a photo.
Type.
Edit box.
Okay, so here you can type whatever you want.
What is the Swift code of it? Type. Talk or micro. Image picker button.
So image picker, you can choose the image.
Send button. Disabled.
And then this is the send button. So microphone I cannot use directly right now because I am recording this things from my phone. So I'll just ask something to Gemini and to do it. So let me ask something. I just go back and open the
System
Gemini
launcher.
again.
Yono SBI. Gemini. Gemini.
Yeah, I opened the Gemini application. Now I just ask
Microphone
something.
button. Type. Talk. Press Shift plus space to switch language.
So let me just type something. So my first question is, what you can do for me? What?
What? Oh, you. Oh. U equals replace equal sign U delete Y delete space delete what? A space deleted. Can do. E me. New line.
Then I'm just trying to send it.
Microphone. Image picker. Send button. Showing physical keyboard. Signed in as Rachel Basic.
Okay,
Rachel Basic
send it.
official.
Let's see.
Page. What you can do for me? Back. Button. Page. Virtual assistant help. Up. Double check responses. Share. Button.
See.
Bad response. Button. I am still under development, but I am always learning. I can generate different creative text formats, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc. I will try my best to fulfill all your requirements.
Okay, so now let's suppose I just ask it to create a story. Okay.
Page. Virtual assistant help. Back. Button. Page. 5 minutes. Page. Gemini. Page. Gemini may display inaccurate info. Double check. Image picker. Microphone. Type. Talk.
So I find the edit box.
Physical keyboard hidden.
So let me type the next
A.
question. Let us type
Cap. T. Right. Y. Story. Of.
write a story of
2. To delete A. B. Y.
blind
P.
people
O. P. L. E. People. H.
who
O.
has
A. U.
succeeded.
C. E. T. T. E. T. Succeeded. I delete space delete in his YouTube Y journey microphone image picker button send button
So let me just
page
send it
virtual
and
assistant
wait.
help showing physical keyboard his channel focused on audio descriptions of Ethan, a young man with a passion for gaming, found himself navigating the world through darkness, but this didn't deter his dream. Certainly, here's a story for you. 1 of 4.
Okay, so story is here.
Listen, out of list.
So listen is also available. So if you just swipe up, not swipe up, like back swipe, just above your response you will find a listen button. So let's listen it.
Certainly, here's a story for you. Ethan, a young man with a passion for gaming, found himself navigating the world through darkness. But this didn't deter his dream of becoming a YouTuber. Using screen reader technology and relying on his exceptional auditory senses, Ethan started creating unique gaming content. His channel focused on audio descriptions of gameplay, insightful commentary, and witty humor. Ethan's upbeat personality and his way of bringing game.
So this is how you can listen the things in the sense of listen the response. Not only this, whatever options you will get, you can get. Just I'm swiping from left to right.
Certainly, despite double check.
So you're going to give a good response, bad response,
Double check response.
double check response. I mean, this is the regenerate option. Like in ChatGPT, you find regenerate. Here you find this option.
Share button.
Share. You can share this.
Copy button.
You can copy the response.
More options button.
There are more options available. Let's go.
Pop-up window on top.
See.
Create public link. 3 of
Create
7.
public link. You can create the link for the chat and share it with public.
Select text. 4 of 7.
And select text.
Modify response. 5 of 7.
Okay.
Other drafts. 6 of
Other
7.
drafts.
Report legal issue.
Report
7.
legal
Stop
issue.
Record. Create draft in Gmail. 2 of
Draft
7.
in Gmail are also available.
Selected. Export to docs.
And
1 of
export
7.
to docs also available. Draft in Gmail means this, if you write some emails, it will be going directly draft to Gmail, and then you can directly send it or edit it and then send it. Whatever you want, you can do it. So these are some options.
Type. Microphone. Button. More options.
Now
button.
next we'll see. I will send some images. We'll send some images and let's see.
Image picker. Button.
Let's choose this
Google.
image.
Allow Google. Deny. Button. Stop record. Allow. Button. Allow Google to take pictures and record video. Allow. Deny. Allow.
Let me allow the
Google.
permission.
Not tick. Selected. Zoom to 1.
Let's
Zoom to
find
3.
something.
Add an image. Open gallery. Button.
Let's open gallery.
Show routes. Recent. Search. Recent. IMG. Screen. IMG. Screenshot. List view. Out of. Screenshot
Here's
202.
a screenshot.
Google.
I'm just taking it and let's see.
Image preview. Attach. Button. Stop recording. 9 minutes. Discard. Crop in. Image. Attach. Button.
So you can crop image that is not obvious.
Image,
That's the
attach,
just
button.
click on attach button.
Gemini.
And then
Microphone. Button. Editing. Type. Talk or share a photo. Edit
so
box.
here you need to type what you want. Okay. So let's see. I'm typing describe the image.
TS. L. Micro. Image picker. Button. Send. Button. Page. Virtual assistant help. Showing physical keyboard.
So
Physical
I've
keyboard
sent it.
hidden. Page. Virtual assistant help. Back. Button. The image you sent is a screenshot of the Hardpoints app on a smartphone screen. The app tracks a user's activity level and awards points for exercise. The screenshot shows the user's Hardpoints for the month of July. The user has earned 54 points so far this month. They earned 22 points on Sunday, 0 points on Monday, and 32 points on Tuesday. The app encourages the user to increase the intensity of their workouts to earn more points. Gemini.
Okay. So this is the description of the image. Now I have heard that Gemini can create a photo. Let's do this task.
Not now. Button. Fifth star unselected. Button. Not now.
So just
Gemini.
clicking this.
Gemini may display inaccurate info. Type. Talk or share.
So let me type something to generate.
Create. Of A.
Image of a girl
Girl. Standing.
standing in a what, where in a, let's suppose, flower garden or garden.
ARDEN. Micro image picker button. Send button. Page. Virtual assistant help. Showing
Send
physical
it.
keyboard. Page. Virtual assistant help. Page. Virtual assistant help. Page. Virtual assistant help. Page. Virtual assistant help. Page. Virtual assist. 11 minutes. 41. Stop record. Image picker. Microphone. Type. More options. But. Copy. Share. Bad. Good response. We are working to improve Gemini's ability to generate images. Listen.
Okay, so right now Gemini cannot create the images for me, but I have seen it in some phones. It is working, especially in the latest Android version. As I am using the 10 Android version, I'll try to use any other phone I try to use, and I'll share that also later on. But right now in my phone, Gemini cannot create the images.
Signed in as Rachel.
Okay.
Back. Button. Create an image of a girl standing in. More options. Button. Signed in as Rachel.
So if
Account
I double
and
tap
settings.
on my account,
Signed in as Rachel. Change profile picture.
so change profile
Manage your Google
picture,
account. Button. Gemini
Google
Apps
account.
activity. 1 of
Gemini
5. In
Apps
list. 5
activity is
items.
there.
Extensions. 2 of 5.
Extensions is there. With the help of extensions, you can do lots more, which we are not going to talk today.
Upgrade to Gemini Advanced. 3
Upgrade
of
to
5.
Gemini Advanced is a paid version of Gemini.
Updates. 4 of 5.
Then updates.
Privacy help tab.
Privacy help.
Settings. 1 of 3. In
Then,
list.
some
Feedback.
settings are
2 of
there.
Setting.
So go to
Gemini.
settings and
Page.
see
Back. Button. Your public links. Control how you share
Your
chat.
public links.
Languages. For speaking to Gemini. 2 of 6.
languages for speaking to Gemini.
Screen context. Allow
Screen
Gemini to
context.
capture information on your screen. 3 of 6.
Okay, so you can allow this, and then you can use this for like what's there in the screen. Please tell me what's there in the screen. Okay.
Google Assistant features in Gemini. Access features powered by Google Assistant when you use your voice with Gemini. 4 of
Okay.
6.
So these are the features you can explore.
Digital assistants from Google. Choose between Gemini and Google Assistant. 5 of 6.
Okay, digital assistant.
Gemini uses location to give you more relevant responses. Learn more about how Google. Stop recording. Gemini uses location to give you more relevant response. Learn more about how Google uses location data.
Okay, so this is the use of Gemini, and you can use the Gemini. Now I just go to home
System
and I
log.
just
Home button. Windows
double
System
tap
UI.
home to open the assistant. I mean not assistant, like Google Assistant, and let's see whether Gemini will come or not.
Gemini.
How are you? Okay, I think voice things will not
Imp
work.
type.
But
Talk or
see,
share a photo. Good afternoon.
see,
Open
good
Gemini
afternoon.
app
Saying good
button.
afternoon. So here you can open the Gemini application also. I think without Gemini app it will not work, but still you can try it. Okay, then you can let me know in the comment section also.
Good. 14 minutes.
See, all
Stop
these
rec-
things are
Send.
there.
Image picker. But microphone. But type. Talk or share a photo. Open Gemini app. Button.
Now,
Type.
if I just type here, set alarm for me at 4 p.m. or something like set.
E. Set. T. E. Remind F. FR. Space. R deleted. F deleted. For me.
Set reminder for me
A. T. At
at
3.
3 p.m.
Capital Y.
today.
Micro image picker. Send button. Gemini. Physical keyboard hidden.
So I have sent it. Let's see.
Reminder not supported.
Reminder not supported. I think for that you have to do some settings. This is just basic overview of Gemini and Google Assistants. Now if you want to do the setup of reminders and all, guys, dogs are barking, so please avoid that. I don't have any options right now, so you can use Gemini for your daily purpose. If you have any questions regarding Gemini, feel free to ask into the comment section, and we will try to make another video about some advanced features or any other features or any other useful things. If I find using Gemini, I'll definitely make a video. Till then, use Gemini, explore Gemini, and also share this video with others as much as possible. That's it guys for the day. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and share it with your loved ones. Subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful tutorials with screen readers. After subscribing, press the bell icon and choose all notifications so you will never miss any uploads. If you want to join us, you can join us on various social medias like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Telegram. All the links are given in the video description below. If you want to join our online courses, visit our website from the About page of the channel. If you want to support us, you can join us as a member. Membership starts at 29 rupees only. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye.